If you look closely, you can see the birds flying around in a group. Anyway, I was watching them fly around and you'd wonder, like, how did they all just know exactly where to go? They're all together. When I kept my eyes on one bird and watched him fly around for a while, and he seems always to fly in this same space, in a circle. Oh, weird. Now some of them have gone a different direction. Circling in two directions. I don't know, but that's what I noticed about that bird. He kept going in the same place. Then I looked at another one, he did the same. And then one that was in another area. So that's kind of cool and interesting. And I don't know, looks like they're starting to move apart a little bit from one another. Anyway, on the phone you can't see it, but it's so beautiful. There's no coffee at the soup kitchen. I guess I'll go read the sign. I don't know what that giant bird was. You must say.